Hi dear friends, today I am going to discuss with you a word which is even though. Even though it is a conjunction, it is used to connect contradictions. Even though is used to connect two opposite ideas. One is positive, another is negative. We have some expectations. Suddenly, if the expectation disappointed, that time we use even though. For examples, I write some examples by using even though. You can clearly understand how to use even though. Even though it is a conjunction, it is used to connect two opposite ideas. So you can clearly understand when I write some example. So pay attention for some time. Example, I invited I invited him. I invited him many times. I invited him many times, even though he didn't come. See, I invited him many times. I have expected to come here to attend my birthday party. I want to meet him, even though he didn't come. I invited him. My expectation completely disappointed here. That time we use even though. When we have deep expectation, if it is disappointed, if it is defeated, if it is destroyed, that time we use even though. Another example, he came very early. He came very early. He came very early. Even though he came very early, even though he missed the bus. He missed the bus. He came very early in order to go by that bus. He got up very early. He came very early to the bus stop, even though he missed the bus. He tried very best. He tried of his very best to catch the bus, even though he missed the bus. When his deep expectation defeated, that time we use even though. Another example. She studied. She studied very hard. She studied very hard, even though she failed. She studied very hard. She studied very hard. She worked very hard for many days, even though she failed. Her expectation, deep interest, disappointed. That time we use even though. Another example, the cricket team, the team has strong players. The team has many strong players, even though the team has many strong players, even though they defeated, they disappointed. The team is looking like they never defeated by anybody. Even though they defeated. Another example, the COVID-19 is spreading very speedily. The COVID-19 is spreading very speed, even though the COVID-19 is spreading very speed, even though people are people are not aware of it. See, the COVID-19 is spreading very speed. The government is trying to curb this, cut out this, even though the people are not aware of it. The people are not dying of COVID-19 every single day. Many people are dying of COVID-19 every single day, even though the people are not aware of it, even though the people are not using masks, even though people are not using maintaining social distances. So, even though it is a conjunction, it is used to connect contradictions, it is used to connect two opposite ideas. One it is positive, another may be negative. So, when we have a deep expectation, if it is suddenly surprisingly disappoint the deep expectations, that time we use even though.